By the way, I need to keep my door open, and as you can see the light is on. So here's the trickery for you. Make sure you lock the door with the screwdriver. Lock over here. One thing to remember, before you smack the door, make sure you open it over here. So as soon as you open, there you go, the light back on. So that way when you open, make sure the latch is in an open position. Then now you can close the door, otherwise you can smack the latch. So one click. Ooh. Another lefty. Second click, lock, and then let's see how fast the light will go off. There you go. If it was useful, please give me a like for this video and subscribe to the channel.